So if you've tried all the other methods in your textbook and YouTube and you're still having trouble, give this one a go. This only requires you to recognize one number is bigger than the other. And so this is the simplest way I can think of. So what you've got here is the first step is you write and tally elements on both sides. And so what I have here is iron plus oxygen gives iron oxide. So there's iron and oxygen on the left, iron and oxygen on the right. I'll write a 1 up on the equation because that's one particle of each. So there's 1 iron, 2 oxygens, 2 irons, 3 oxygens. So the second step is increase the coefficient by 1 for any element that is too small. And then you basically just keep doing that until, and retally and repeat until all the numbers are the same, and then it's balanced. So what we have here is iron is 1 on the left hand side but 2 on the right hand side, so that is too small on the left hand side, so we increase the reaction at the top by 1, so go from 1 to 2, and then we retally and repeat. So retallying means the iron's now 2 and they're 2 on both sides, so that's good. So go to the oxygen, there's a 2 and a 3, so the 3 is bigger than the 2. So we increase the oxygen from 1 to 2 at the top, and that will make oxygen bigger and makes it to a 4. Okay, so that's now still not the same because so now the other side is too small. The 3 is smaller than the 4. So we increase the iron oxide from 1 to 2, and then we retally and repeat. So now the iron becomes a 4, the oxygen becomes a 6. So we have a look here and the numbers still don't match. So we keep going until we balance. So the 4 is too small. So we increase the 2 to a 3 and retally. That puts us at a 6. So the 6 on both sides. You look at the iron, the 2 is smaller than the 4. So increase the reaction from a 2 to a 3. That, and retally and repeat. So 3, 4, the 3 is still too small. So increase it by 1 again. And that gives you a 4. So now we have 4 on both sides, 6 on both sides. It must be balanced. So the answer must be 4, 3, and 2. So give that a go. Hopefully that will help you balance if you are still struggling with balancing.